First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Remember your containment colors so we don't get suspicious.
Green orange on the right. Find your colors. Red on the left.
Then we have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? I was coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recotos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones de seguridad bien ajustados. Mantengan las manos a sus pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Alright, now my back row, you're ready, hands up, and then reach over to your right and pull on the yellow tab of your seatbelt. Excellent. Now my two by the doors, watch your hands, arms, legs, and feet, okay? Transport will be closing. And we're set. Step 1 is done. Step 2 is the gate. Wow. Now, are we familiar with this type of droid, my friends? Yeah, a little bit. Okay, perfect. This guy and his buddy back there, we programmed him to get you out. So when we get the floor plans from Finn on this ship, very useful.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention complete. Prisoners will see at level D.
There they are. Fire.
If anyone's making a blaster, now's a good time.
The escape pod is just below us. Why are you going up?
I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
escape, you will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.